Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So today we're looking at an older Fleetwood Jamboree, and it actually came in to replace a slide-out topper. The slide-out topper was actually impacted, and when it did that, they ended up replacing the rail that's there on the ground to get them by and removed it. So because of the age of the coach, this same particular rail is no longer available anymore. We got one that's as close as possible, but it looks like the guys have cut down the existing rail up there at the top of the roof line. And you can see the difference in the color changes from the dirt to less dirty. So they're in the process of measuring and cutting down a new molding to put back on there. And then we're gonna get the new slide out topper installed. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, or if you're looking to have us add a slide out topper, or if you have any impact damage or damage on your units, feel free to give us a call. Phone number is 209-263-7040. We're located in Lodi, California. And if you haven't checked out our website, we encourage you to do so. It's lots of good information that we've got posted on there, as well as articles and other videos on YouTube. Thanks again for watching.